Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to share with you the simple and quick and easy healthy snacks. This is an air fried chickpeas. I hope you're going to love this video. This is super delicious and you can't stop eating them. So let's begin. What I have here is just a can of the chickpeas. Any chickpeas, canned chickpeas. If you want a fresh, you could do that as well. I'm just gonna dispose that liquid that come in a can and then soak this in a little like hot or warm water and dispose that water. Place a paper plate into a bowl. Pat this dry as much as you can so it will soak. It will kind of grab the oil. And then add a oil. I'm using olive oil and I'm using the spices. If you could find this is so great. Roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. That's all you need. And about a tablespoon of that, and then I add a little bit of the onion powder. I'll give this a mix, and then once that is mixed, I'm going to add a fresh, well, this is a minced garlic in a can or in a container. You could grab this at Costco and I think Amazon. I'll provide the link down below. Once that is mixed, with this new air fryer 6.8 smart air fryer, you could preset the heat beforehand, and it comes with this crisper plate. You could use that to make the food that you're cooking extra crispy. The only thing I don't like about this is there's like two big holes in the middle, which tends to food get dropped in there. Simply line this up so they're not sitting on each other. Place this on the air fryer. I'm going to cook this first on 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Just to give you a little background of this Cosori Dual Blaze 6.8 quart smart air fryer, it does have a noise, but it's not as bad as the first Cosori air fryer. Just want to let you know about that. And so once that is done, I'm just going to give it a shake and then put this back in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 3 minutes to make it crispy. And then after 3 minutes, these are all done. This is so simple to make, about 10-15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes to prepare. Extra crispy. If you want it extra crispy, this is how we like it. This is super delicious, super good. You must try these snacks. Super healthy. I hope you like this video. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting our channel. We'll see you next time. Ciao.